Good afternoon, all my dear students and respected guardians. This is a math class for standard 3, chapter 6, multiplication. In the previous class, we have already discussed about multiplication by one digit number without carrying and multiplication by one digit number with carrying. But in this chapter, we are learn about multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000, and then multiplication by 20, 220, 30 up to 90, and then multiplication by 200, 300 up to 900. That means in this chapter we basically know multiplication by 0 digits numbers. So first we discuss multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. So dear students, let's count. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. This is your hard copy in which I write all the short notes about this chapter, and also I write some homework for you. First, we know multiplication by 10. That means when we want any numbers multiplication by 10, then what should we do? We get the product by putting 1 0 for the right of this number. That means if we want multiplication 2043 with 10 into 10, then equal to 2043 into 1 into tens. 10 will 1 tens, then 1 tens equal 243 tens equal 243 0. That means अगर हम कोई भी नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना चाहते हैं तो सिर्फ उसी नंबर के राइट साइड में 1 0 बैठना है, सिर्फ राइट साइड में 1 0 बैठना है। ऐसे अगर हम 100 चाहते हैं तो हम लोग क्या करना है ना, उसकी राइट साइड में सिर्फ 2 0 लगाना है। क्या करना है, सिर्फ राइट साइड में 2, जैसे 243 इंटू 1 इंटू हंड्रेड्स इक्वल टू 243 हंड्रेड्स इक्वल टू 243 2 मतलब सिर्फ आपको उसी नंबर लिखना है और राइट साइड में 2 0 बैठना है। ऐसे 1000 में हम लोग अगर करेंगे उसको भी ऐसे करना है, जैसे 243 इंटू 1000 इक्वल टू 243 इंटू 1000 इक्वल टू 243 thousands इक्वल टू 243 30। आपको अगर 1000 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है सिर्फ राइट साइड में 3 0 बैठना है। अगर 100 में मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो राइट साइड में आपको 2 0 बैठना है, और अगर आप 10 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है तो आपको राइट साइड में सिर्फ 1 0 बैठना है। एंड नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 20, 30, 40 and 90. That means multiplication by 20, 30, 40 up to 90. Then now I am taking an example like this, to 20 equal to 243 into 2 tens equal to 243 में 2 मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 4 8 6 tens equal to 486 0, 4860. Then what is the rule? Now when we multiply a number by 10, we insert 1 0 on the right of the number to get the product. Like this, when we multiply a number with 20, 30, 40 up to 90, with the help of this method, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 9 respectively and put a 0 of the right of the product. That means अगर हम कोई भी नंबर को 20, 30, 40 अप टू 90 या 50, 60, 70, 80 मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहते हैं तो हमको सिर्फ उसी नंबर को 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ऐसा रेस्पेक्टिवली जो भी नंबर होगा आप उसमें मल्टीप्लेस करना है और उसके राइट साइड में 1 0 बैठना है। नाउ आई एम टेकिंग अनदर एग्जांपल लाइक दिस, 346 into 13 equal to 346 into 3 tens equal to 300 46 into 3. 3 6 is 18. 8 1 carry. 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. 1 carry. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. Then 1038 tens equal to 10380. तो क्या करना है, सिर्फ उसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और राइट साइड में 0 बैठना है. नेक्स्ट वी डिस्कस मल्टीप्लिकेशन बाय 200, 300, 400 up to 900. How can? Now I am taking an example like 243 into 200 equal to 243 into 2 hundreds HUNDREDS equal to 486 hundreds equal to 48620. If we want multiplication any number by 200, 300, 400 up to 900, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4, 9 up to 9 respectively and put 2 zeros on the right side of this number, Now I am taking another example like this. 376 into 80 hundred, then 376 into 80 hundreds. 376 into 8. 8 6 is 48. 8 4 carry. 8 7 is 56 plus 4. 56 plus 4 60. 0 6 carry. 8 3 is 24 plus 6 30. 1 second. 8 4 is 48. 8 4 carry. 8 7 is 56 plus 4 60. 0 6 carry. 8 3 is 24 plus 30. And the result is 3008 hundreds equal to 300800. Then we should multiply this number with this number, given number, and write down 2 zeros in the right side. And next we discuss some properties of multiplication. First property, order property. Then we discuss first order property. Order property means if we multiply two numbers in any order, the product remains the same. This is known as order property. I am taking an example like this. If we want multiply 3 into 2 equal to 6, when we change their position like this, 2 into 3 equal to 6. That means 3 into 2 equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. This is the order property. That means if we multiply two numbers in any order, the product remains the same. This is known as order property of multiplication. And next, grouping property. If we want multiply three numbers, the product remains same even when the grouping of numbers is changed. Like 7 into 6 into 8. When first we multiply 7 6 is 42 into 8 equal to 8 2 is 16. 1 carry. 8 4 is 32. 33. 336. Then in the second step we want first multiplication 6 into 8. 7 into 8 6 is 48. 7 8 is 56. 6 5 7 4 is 28 plus 5 equal to 33. Answer is same. Then next we grouping them. 7 into 8 into 6 equal to 7 is 56 into 6 equal to 6 is 36 3. 6 5 is 30 plus 30. Your answer should be remain same when your grouping is changed. This is the grouping property. That means 7 into 6 into 8 equal to 7 into 6 into 8 equal to 7 into 8 into 6 equal to 336. That means when we want multiply three numbers, अगर हम लोग उनका ग्रुपिंग चेंज करते हैं, पहले कोई भी दो नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन तीसरा नंबर उसमें मल्टीप्लाई करने से उनका रिजल्ट में, उनका प्रोडक्ट में कोई भी डिफरेंस नहीं आता है. नंबर 3, मल्टीप्लाइड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ 1. दैट मीन्स multiplied property of 1. When we want some number multiplies with 1, the product should be its number itself. That means अगर हम कोई भी कितना बड़ा भी नंबर ने और उसको 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लिकेशन करें तो उसका रिजल्ट वही नंबर ही रहता है. जैसे 7 into 1 equal 7, 8 into 1 equal 80, 42 into 1 equal to 42, 36 into 1 equal to 36, 976 into 1 equal to 976. Answer remain this number itself. And next, multiply property of 0. That means the product of any number and 0 is 0. Now I am taking example like this. 4 and 36 into 0 equal to 0. 6 into 0 equal to 0. 0 into 7 equal to 0. 4 into 0 equal to 0. कोई भी number when we want any number multiplication by the 0 and the product is 0. Next, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Distributive multiplication over addition. Like 3 plus 2 into 9 equal to, then we distribute them with 3 and 2 like this. 3 into 9 plus 2 into 9. 9 3 is 27 plus 9 2 is 18. ओडिया रे कोंदी बंटन नियम ओडिया कोन कोंदी बंटन नियम. दैट मीन 9 को 3 को देना है, 9 को 2 देना है. 27 plus 18, 8 plus 7 15, 5 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 45. Answer should be 45. This is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. That means first number into second number plus third number equal to first number into third number into second number plus second number into first number into third number. That means आपको कोई भी first number into second number plus third number equal to first number into second number plus first number into third number. And now I take another example like this. Like 3 into 7 plus 6 equal to 3 into 7 plus 3 into 6. 7 3 is 21, 3 6 is 18, 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3. Answer should be 30. And this is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. Now students, this is your hard copy in which I write all the rules and regulation of multiplication in this hard copy. You should write it in your English copy. Now I also prepared homework for you. Homework exercise 6.B and 6.C. I think you can do at your home in your math copy. And next, this is some extra questions for you. Like 28 in 10 equal to 280. 326 into 100 equal to 326. राइट साइड में सिर्फ 2 जीरो बैठना है. ऐसे आपको ये सब घर में बैठ के करना है. इफ यू हैव एनी कंप्लेन, यू हैव एनी डाउट, यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू मे कॉल नाउ. थैंक यू. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ एंड वेट फॉर माय नेक्स्ट क्लास.